that is Aadhaar equals to prompt, and within the prompt we are going to write enter your Aadhaar with the capital A, Aadhaar number, and it would be in the double inverted commas because it is going to be shown in the screen. That is why I have taken prompt, and then I am going to write if is NaN. This is the predefined function, and that means not a number. And what is not a number? If Aadhaar is not a number, then what it would be showing? It would give an alert, and within the double inverted commas it would say Aadhaar should be in numeric manner, or you say Aadhaar number should be numeric. If you wrote any like character or something like that which is not numeric, so this alert would be shown, this alert message would be shown. Else you would have a alert message again, and else means if you have written a generic thing or the genuine thing, you will say your Aadhaar card number is, and then plus Aadhaar. I have given the value variable that is Aadhaar, so concatenated that variable, and this is done. File save, go to browser. There you go, you have your prompt. Enter your Aadhaar number, write anything, write any size of your Aadhaar number, and your Aadhaar card number is this. Again refresh it and write some characters, so it would say Aadhaar numeric, Aadhaar should be in numeric manner. Again you can fill it. For checking it, you can see the number is displayed, and again fill the inappropriate words, like I am writing my name. This is simple. So this is how you will deal the numbers in the DHTML. Then date with DHTML. I think with if you have worked in JavaScript, you would know how to have date. So I will type document.write, and inside it date function or date method, whatever you say it. Document.write, then be a break tag, because we want to go into the next line. Then I will take the variable d equals to new and date. So as you can see that this date is not having any parameter, so it is unparameterized constructor type of thing. And then we want, like I also want the month and the year after this date or time or whatever you say it. So document.write, the month is, and then concatenate d dot get month method. It will give you the appropriate word, appropriate month. And then I want you can type here document.write. Now you want the year, so okay, first I will use the break tag document.write and then the break tag. And now we want document.write, we want year, so we will say the year is simple, and then plus d dot get year. Now you have to go to the file and then save, and you can see the date, time and month is displayed. I think there is some problem with the year, we can sort it out afterwards, but this is how you are going to take date with the help of DHTML in the JavaScript. So now we will show you how to write a array with DHTML. It is simple, as you are using JavaScript, you know how to write how to implement array in the Java. Similarly it is done in JavaScript. So we will take a variable array equals to new array that is having the size of 5. So we are writing array 0, that is the index of first element we are filling inside it, and then I'm just copying and pasting 5 elements, and I will change the index and then the item number. So array 1 which is having 2, array 3, array 2 which is having, so I will first change the index. Now in the position array 2 I will write 3, 3 and then 4, and 4 will be 5. Now I will say where I am taking a variable that is I, because I need to put a loop, for loop. So for I equals to 0 and I will be going to array dot length and then I plus plus, and inside it we will say document dot write an array I. This will show the whole array we have just put it in this programming, and then our document dot write and the break tag. Simple. File save, go to browser, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5. Similarly, we can also write the characters also, and this is how you are going to do it. So you do not have to do anything extra. You have to write the characters within the double inverted commas in the place of numeric values you have just filled. And I will take out this array 4, and I will write there only 4 items. So I have written demo, and then you can also write the whole word in this array. Words can also be the items inside the array, and you can write it like this. This is how it's done.